to learn the administration of district is same in each part of our state. Okay, so here this is a picture of Jila Parishad of Thane, which is nearby the Thane station. Same office is like it, and here that we have learned there are some administration. It's a local. These are the local administration level. Okay, but in local administration level, we have learned about rural local government bodies, urban, rural urban government bodies. We have learned about Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti, and Zilla Parishad. And in urban, we have learned about Nagar Parishad. Nagar Parishad means your Nagar Panchayat, Municipal Council, and the Municipal Corporation. We have learned, we have already discussed about the local government bodies. But now, this district administration, what are the district administrations are there? We are going to learn about it. Okay, that in the introduction part, we have learned that the Zilla Parishad is a part of the local government bodies. That is the Panchayati Raj system. Okay, it is a Panchayati Raj system, but the Maharashtra, the administration of the district is shared by the Zilla Parishad and the district collector. Might be the word you have heard about a collector. Collector is a person who are responsible for the district administration. In other state, all the decision is taken by the Zilla Parishad, but in Maharashtra, the district collector and the Zilla Parishad combinedly, they run the administration of a Thane district. And in the district administration, the state government, it means the whatever the decision is taken by our Zilla Parishad at rural level, okay, and the district collector. If our state government, means the chief minister, and the other minister, if they wanted to interfere, they can, and even the state government and the central government, this both two government can participate in this administration. Okay, now the district collector. The district collector is the head of the district administration. He is the head of the district administration, and the district collector is appointed by the state government. Who appointed the district collector? State government. And directly, if we are not supposed to give the interview, in our Maharashtra, we have a MPSC exams and UPSC exam, and whoever top in that exam is whoever the scored good marks in that exams. Okay, that, and after the training and even after the interview session, that person get appointed as a district collector. Okay, so that's why this person, district collector, is appointed by the state government, because the exams are conducted by the state government. Okay, so they are appointed by the state government, and he has to perform many functions. Means district collector, अरे वाह district collector अभी मैं एक जगह पे बैठ के काम करूँगा. No, the district collector has so many responsibility. Even the responsibility from the collecting taxes collect करने से लेके to maintain a law and order in the district. He is the responsible for that. That's why anything gets happened in a district, in any part of the Panchayati Raj system, means in a Zilla Parishad, or even a municipal councils, okay, and even the Gram Panchayat, if anything gets happened, Zilla Parishad gets happened, anywhere get happen, okay, he has to go there. He has to go there. If anyone get riots get happen, so on that place, first district collector reach, because he has the responsibility. Even he can collect the agricultural taxes from till to maintain law and order. Means everything he has to, means that he is the responsible to maintain a law and order in the district. So which are that we are going to learn. The district collector. What is the work the district collector in agricultural field? Okay, in one agricultural field, he has to collect the agricultural tax. Then whatever the laws are related. Okay, he has to implement that. See, whatever the laws are there, na, all are made by the ministers. All are made by the ministers, and district collector and other officers are responsible to implement that. And whatever the laws are related to it, district collectors are responsible for that. For example, if the government has announced that all the farmers seeds should be given free of cost. Okay, उन्होंने law and order pass किया, but to each and every farmer to get all that seeds at a free of cost, district collector is responsible to implement that each and every part of our district. If the government announced that all the farmers are the debt free, no taxes on the agricultural goods, government ने बोल दिया, but who will implement that? Who will announce to all the market people don't collect the taxes from the farmers? District collector. Okay, the laws related to it. And even he can provide a relief in case of drought and scarcity of a fodder. Okay, I guess you were in third or second standard mein rege. In that time in Maharashtra, there was a great drought. Okay, even there is a scarcity of water as well as a food. So it is very tough time for the farmers. So what the collectors they have done, they have arranged a various camp. In that camp, farmers kept their animals so that in that camp, their animals get a fodder facility and some kind of facility to few people. And even at that time, with so many farmers, they have migrated from the village to the city in the search of the job, to stay. उनका रहने का खाने का पूरा responsibility is taken by the district collector. तुम तो second, third में रहोगे. I bet इतना a drought situation was there in our Maharashtra. It means that what I try, because it is a drought है, scarcity of water, food है, तो camp arrange करना चाहिए था. Government ने बोला camp arrange करना है, लेकिन किसने arrange करवाया? The district collector ने. So these are the work in agricultural field. Even law and order, we have learned that district collector is responsible to maintain a law and order in the city. So he is responsible. He maintain a social harmony. Social harmony मतलब क्या होता है? See, 2 people, 2 opinion. 5 people, 5 opinion. It is not necessary all the people get agree with the one opinion. Okay, so there is a dispute, there is a conflict amongst them. So he is the responsible to maintain that social harmony. Just currently, I guess if you have gone through with the news, there are so many conflicts is there that reservation should be there to Maratha community. Okay, तो कोई बोलते क्यों चाहिए, ऐसा चाहिए, हमें आना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए, तो बहुत सारे मोर्चे निकालते हैं. ओके ना, तो ये सब conflict avoid करना, maintain करना, who is responsible for that? District collector is responsible. सबसे बात करना, उनका जो भी मोर्चा है, उनकी जो भी बातें हैं, state government तक पहुंचाना, ये सब, all this work is done by the district collector. Okay, and even he is responsible for the arrange a curfew to the people. Even election officers, district collector is responsible to conduct an election so smoothly, and even he take a necessary decision related to electoral process, and even is responsible to update a voter list. Why he has to update a voter list? because every year some people get died. जो people का death हो गया, he is responsible to remove their names from the voter list. And even every year so many youngsters, they cross the 18 years, and in our country the person who have crossed their 18 years is responsible for to give the votes. तो उन सबके names आने चाहिए, जिनका डेथ है उनका सबका नेम्स कट होना चाहिए. तो ये अपडेट भी किसको कराना है? The work is to the district collector to update the voter list. Second, कैसे करना है? Suppose there is a village, okay, वो विलेज में सिर्फ 50 हाउसेस एंड 50 पीपल है, तो वहां पे ग्राम पंचायत नहीं होगा, इलेक्शन इतने घरों में नहीं होगा, तो आजू बाजू के 5 विलेजेस मिलके यहाँ पे एक इलेक्शन होगा. तो such kind of decision is also taken by the district collector. And even कहीं पे कोई भी खड़ा नहीं हो गया, okay, only one person gets stand, एक ही पर्सन खड़ा है लेके, एंड फिर he